Okay, hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Android phone to Burp Suite on your PC and intercept the traffic which is going between your phone and any app server and look into it. Let's go. Okay, what you'll need for this is an Android phone, obviously, but a Android phone which is rooted. I recommend that you use kernel SU or Magisk if you can to root your phone, then continue the steps. Okay, on your phone, open up kernel SU or Magisk, go to the module section, sorry, and remember to download the module that I left the link at the description. Click on the link and download the module from there. And my module that I made for Burp Suite is actually based on another module that I've credited in the description of this video and also in the README file of the GitHub project of the module. So if you go on GitHub, please, if you can, store my module and also the original module, which my module is based on. And also, I made the module based on that module, but I've added the CA certificate of Burp Suite to it, and the CA certificate actually needed some converting, renaming, and some stuff, but I've done all of that and put it in the module, and you can just download it and install it with kernel SU or Magisk. Okay, when you open up kernel SU or Magisk, click on install and select the zip file and just wait a little bit. As you can see, Burp Suite CA certificate. It was that easy. Now, before rebooting, I'm going to go to settings and here let's search for CA certificate if you can find it. Okay, trusted credentials, it's this. Okay, click on it. And as you can see, we can scroll here and you're not going to find the Burp Suite CA certificate here. If you scroll a lot, we can go to the end of the list, but you can't find it here. And that's the reason you get errors when you try to normally connect your phone to Burp Suite. But now that we installed the module, we can just reboot the phone and I'll see you when the phone is booted again. Okay, the phone is booted now. We'll open up kernel SU again. We'll go to module. And as you can see, Burp Suite CA certificate is installed here. Now, if we leave, go to settings and search again for CA certificate. And okay, trusted credentials here. And in the system part, we can scroll and find port trigger. Okay, here it is. As you can see, the Burp Suite CA certificate is installed here as system, and you may be wondering why couldn't we, without even root, install the certificate as a user certificate. That's because most apps don't allow and don't actually trust the user installed certificates, and you have to install it as system. And now you can just go to your Wi-Fi. Let me see. And as you can see, I'm connected to a network. Go to settings, click on this button in the advanced options. Oh, why didn't it? Okay. Okay, my phone is lagging, unfortunately. Okay, I think I found a bug in this ROM. When you click on this button, you have to click here. So the advanced options opens up, and then you can click on the proxy, click on manual, and here put the IP of your laptop or desktop that you opened up Burp Suite on. So for example, 192.168.102, okay? And the port, Mostly, if you leave it on default, it's going to be 80/80, but you can check on the settings of the Burp Suite app again. And remember, in Burp Suite, you should set the listening proxy on all hosts or 0.0.0.0. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. You can find all the links in the description, and please start my module and also the original module, so we can support the original creator of the module too. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.